Hey y'all, JD here with the Rusty Rotor. Y'all, I know I started out uploading videos every day and was doing okay with it. I know I haven't uploaded a lot here lately, and I know y'all are going, well, JD, it's just YouTube videos. Just how hard can it be? Well, the next couple of minutes is going to show you one night of just how hard it can actually be. Y'all enjoy.
Oh. Well, Chevy Wise sneezed, and I swear to God, you farted, didn't you? Be thankful this isn't smell-o-vision. My God. What the hell did you eat? Jesus. Quality entertainment. Lighter than works. Yay! That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. This is why condom usage is important. Very important. So this is where we're at with 3 coats of rubbing compound. I think I'm going to switch this channel over to comedy. With car crap, because it's kind of tossed in every once in a while. Hey, Marble. There's your next movie.
Hey,
I'm a banana. You know how hard it's going to be editing in little bananas every time you scream banana?
I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Banana! Wait, he's a banana.
The shirt is yellow.
You're a banana.
Does that make him very appealing?
Yeah.
Ha!
That was too low.
That joke.
Amy, go ahead.
Alright, that's
No,
2
it's
minutes.
pretty extreme.
Hi.
I swear to God, if you're fanning because you farted again, I'm throwing you out. Okay.